Hello friends, today's video is on Brinjal Roast. When prepared this way, brinjal gets a truly delicious flavor. This Brinjal Roast is a great side dish to have with rice, chapati, and paratha. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Welcome everyone to a new video from Chef Joji. I've taken a large green brinjal here. I'm going to cut it into rounds. Now the entire brinjal has been cut. Let's soak it in water for about 5 minutes. This is done to remove any bitterness from the brinjal. I have washed the brinjals that were soaking in water and drained them. To this, add a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 3/4 of a teaspoon of chili powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix it well. I'm mixing it with my hands so that the spices coat every piece of the brinjal evenly. Now that it's well mixed, let's fry the brinjals that have been coated in masala. For this, pour a little sunflower oil into a frying pan. Once the oil is slightly hot, add the brinjals. I've placed as many brinjals as can fit in the frying pan. Let's roast this on a medium flame. Once one side is roasted, flip them over and roast the other side as well. The brinjals are now well roasted. I'm transferring them to another dish, a strainer to be exact. Then I'll fry the remaining brinjals. Now let's set the brinjals aside. Next, let's get the ingredients ready for the brinjal roast. I've finely chopped 2 small onions and 2 small tomatoes. I've also finely chopped 1 teaspoon each of ginger and garlic, 2 green chilies, and taken 3 sprigs of curry leaves. Now, let's prepare the brinjal roast. We're using the same oil we used to fry the brinjals. To this, add 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds. Then add the curry leaves, chopped ginger, garlic, and green chilies and mix them. Now add the onions, mix well, and roast them on a medium level. At this point, add salt for the brinjal roast. Since we added a little salt when frying the brinjals, add salt accordingly. After adding salt, mix it well. Once the onions have softened, add the tomatoes, mix, and continue to roast. The onions and tomatoes are now well roasted. Now let's add the powders. 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper powder, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Add these and mix well. Roast until the raw smell of the powders is gone. Add 1½ cups of water and mix well. Roast this on a slow flame. Now add the fried brinjals and mix. The brinjal roast, a perfect side dish for rice, paratha, and chapati, is now ready. This is a very easy and delicious dish that can be prepared at home. I hope you all liked this video. If you did, I remind you to like, comment, and share. If this is your first time watching this channel, don't forget to subscribe and follow the page. Chef Joji's YouTube channel and Facebook page have a lot of old videos. Please try to watch them. I will be back soon with a new video. Until then, bye-bye.